There is a century plant. It called it a century plant because the about every 100 years the alga sprouts, shoots straight up, and then flowers, seeds, and then the plant dies. This is Dia here in on the coast of Mallorca. Just stunningly beautiful place. Look at these lemon trees. There's the mountains. Look how high they are. A very harrowing drive to get here. You can see the road on the other side. Parking is impossible here, so apparently if you don't come early, there's nowhere to park, so you can't stay. Hola. Let's just keep walking. There, look at that, eh? Keep walking up this hill here. To this particular road, it's residents only. And all of the ceramic artwork, the Romans taking Jesus up to be crucified. But isn't it just beautiful, eh? Just see, this looks like a public building, so try walking up there. Oh, this guy's going to park right here. What is this up here? Just pan around. See the large mountains. Looks like it's like a old church or monastery or something. Oh, there's a museum here. But look at this, eh? The old cannons. Chicken in the background. Pretty spectacular place. Look at this old fountain. Look at the ladle there on the side. It's cute. It's chained. But look at the road there, eh? Very harrowing drive up here. Farming, a little bit of terrace farming there. More artwork. I'd love to tell you what the signs say, but they're all in Spanish or Catalan Spanish, which obviously I don't know. Now this is the money shot right here. Look at that. There is the Mediterranean in all her glory. And to my right, look at the terrace up the side of here, and then there's a tennis court in the middle. And then in here are graves. This little graveyard. Look at that. Pretty cool place, eh? More ceramic artwork. But you gotta pay attention. If you, these walls are not very high here. Just a little. Look at this. Those are either oranges or lemons, right there. It's just an amazing place to visit. I've not seen these before. There's this vine here, and the flowers are purple. I have no idea what that is. But like, look how look at these roads. You don't want to show up here in a full-size GMC Suburban. You'd never make it around the corner. That is a hairpin turn. Just have a look over here. Again, look at that. Look at the ocean. There's a cute little bird right in there, but too hidden. Anyhow, we'll end on that note.